welcome back to the channel. Today we are featuring Maxful seamless clip-ins. Shout out to Maxful Hair for sponsoring today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to instantly transform your hair in minutes. So I have 2 packs of their off black straight clip-in extensions. These are 20 inches. Both packs are 20 inches. These are their seamless clip-ins, so unlike the traditional clip-ins, they lay super flat to the head, which gives you a more natural, undetectable install. So these extensions are made of high quality human hair, no chemicals, so they seamlessly blend with your natural hair to give you a full, flawless look. It gives you those inches in minutes. So the advantages of clip-ins are instant volume, instant length, or both, with the convenience of quick removal. So unlike a wig or unlike a sew-in, tape-ins, micro links, you can remove these every day, multiple times a day, whatever you need to do. These are perfect for that. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to install these clip-ins. One being the braid down, no sew-in method. And then the other way that I will install these is my go-to when it comes to clip-ins, which I have my hair flat ironed super straight. So if you want to get a silk press or you want to do a silk press for this second method, I would highly suggest that. Or just get your hair as straight as possible, as close to a silk press as possible. Of course, if you're relaxed, you will have a much better blend. Although I didn't have too much trouble, I just know that if it was to get humid or there was any type of moisture, the reversion would be crazy. So with that method, you just part the hair in rows and then you add the clip-in extensions in, and you can put them as close together as you like or as far apart as you'd like. So I had a lot of fun with these extensions. The quality is definitely top tier. You can tell just by the way it feels. The bands on this seamless clip-in is super secure. I had no loose strands. The clips were secure, no loose clips. I do like the packaging. It comes in these cute little boxes. This is really new. I've never received clip-ins that arrived in a package like this. You can get these in 2 days. They have a variety of colors. I do have the off black, which it looks black to me. So I'm curious as to what the jet black would look like, because this is black. It's considered 1B off black, 20 inches. They do go up to, I want to say, 24 inches. And they also have a yaki perm texture, which I think I have to get my hands on those, because I do like these, but you know, yaki perm, kinky straight, that's my go-to. But either way, I will have the links in the description box if you are interested. Big thank you to Maxful Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to you for watching another video, and I will see you next time. Bye.
acid. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. You never check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. Mine precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me you never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nut in room. Third day, pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you call, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. Cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of